In this video, we will talk about how to write non-proportional equations from a table. This example says the entrance fee to a carnival is $10 and tickets for rides and snacks cost an additional $2 each. So first, what we're going to do is fill out the rest of our table, and that'll help us write our equation down here. Entering the carnival plus 0 tickets would cost, we would write the number of tickets, which would be 0. The process is $2 times 0 because we got no tickets, but we still entered the carnival, so plus 10 equals $10. Entering the carnival plus 1 ticket, we would do 2 times 1, which is 2, and 2 plus 10 is 12. The next one says entering the carnival plus 2 tickets. So 2 would go here for number of tickets. To find my process, I would do $2 times 2, which is 4, and then 4 plus 10 is $14. And then 3 tickets, number of tickets goes here, the number 3. My process is $2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 plus another 10 to enter is 16. What we need to look for now in the equation is something that is staying the same and then something that is changing. We can see clearly in our process column that the number 2 is being multiplied each and every time by the number of tickets. Notice how the number of tickets, though, is represented by the letter X. That is one thing that we might want to consider changing. Another thing that's also staying the same is the plus 10 at the end. So when we write our equation, I know I can have 2 as a number that stays the same. X is going to represent the number of tickets, so I'm going to represent that with the letter X. And then plus 10 is always staying the same, so I'm going to also write a plus 10. So the equation that represents this situation is y equals 2x plus 10.